In this video, I'm going to show you how to plant seeds and grow a garden Roblox on a computer or laptop. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the top menu and press over here where it says seeds. And we need to make sure that we actually have some seeds to plant. So all you want to do is you want to press on the E key on your keyboard just like so. And then from here, it is going to let you know what seeds are currently in stock. And all you want to do is you want to go ahead and purchase a seed that you can afford. So in my instance, I can only go ahead and afford the carrot seed. So let's go ahead and press on that. And then there we go. We now do have the carrot seed. All right, after we're done with that, all we need to do is we need to go to the top menu and press over here where it says garden. We will then be bought to our garden just like so. And now all you want to do is you want to go ahead and actually go in the area where you want to go ahead and plant your seed. So let's go ahead and plant it right here in the middle. And all you want to do is you want to go to the top left and press on this backpack icon just like so. And then from here, you want to go ahead and go to this bottom menu and select on your seed. And then as you're able to tell, it will now be in your hand. Now, what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and locate exactly where you want to go ahead and plant your seed. And then you just want to go ahead and left click on your mouse or your trackpad if you're using a laptop. And then there you go. It will now begin to actually grow. It's going to give you a percentage as well. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.